Everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first open your camera app. Let me just find it. Here it is. Now at the top of the list, exactly in the middle of the screen, you will find the timer icon. So just tap once, select the period of time after which you want to grab a picture. So let me go with 5 seconds, and now smoothly grab a picture. It will be done after a selected period of time. So this is how you can set photo delay. Then whenever you want to turn it off, just click here again and pick this first icon, which is for off. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.